mine's been going a little rough, but you guys are the reason why I keep on doing this. So I'm very, very thankful to have you guys here to help me improve my YouTube channel and just my subscriber goal by Christmas. But further ado, let's jump right into this. So this is not normal mouth sounds. I have a special tool with me. I got the special tool right here that enhances mouth sounds, and it just, quite frankly, sounds absolutely amazing. Like always, my ASMR videos are better with headphones to get the full experience. Well, let's go ahead and test this baby out and see what she's able to do. Oh my god, that's absolutely insane. it's like so